The cats are swarming. You know why?
Their cat food isn't here yet.
My Chewy order is delayed, so now the cats are angry. We ran out of food today. Miranda, I can't understand you. Why can't I understand you?
Because I have my expanders on.
You've also got some food in your teeth. That's really attractive. Open up really big. I want everyone to see.
I have food stuck in my expanders.
That'll be cute. Let's see it. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of metal. Miranda's relearning how to talk and eat. Today's video doesn't really have a whole lot of direction.
Yeah, we don't really know what we're doing.
Well, we're just gonna feed the animals. But I am gonna show some clips of the last, like, ma'am, I'm trying to talk. I'm gonna show some clips of the last probably 3-ish weeks. Show what's been going on. We've done away with most of the garden. The farmers have taken out the corn. We have a view now, which is nice. But we'll just show you a few clips and that'll be that. One plant and we got 13 off of it.
13 melons.
13 giant melons. These suckers are enormous. Anybody want a melon? It's so mean. It's a baby. It's a baby! Won't let me keep it. Hey, catch. Toby's been eating a lot of watermelon. He eats everything, rind and all. I'm not sure how much more this little wagon can take. That one had a rotten spot. It was squashy. Look at that, Tobes! The root system on this fella. I miscalculate every year. It goes to double the size I always think it's going to. Someday I'll get it right. We gotta go steal some dog food for these poor starving kitties.
Yeah.
Poor kitties. There you go, kitties. Dog kibble for everyone. Look how happy they are now. They're gonna start barking soon. Turkeys are going to be ready to butcher here in a couple of weeks, probably. You have paint on your elbow.
Probably. I've been painting. I painted the mold of my mouth.
The boys are in exile because they started figuring out how to get out of the fence. They were all squeezing out, so now they're locked up in the fence they can't get out of, and they have no grass left because of it. I'm sorry, boys. It's for your own good. Lucky us, we get to pump them full of grain now instead of pasture. Alright, right now we're gonna go throw a mask on Molly because she is covered in flies. They're really bad today. It only took us, 4 months to buy new ones, but she's got some now.
So pretty.
She is. She's getting her long, floofy winter coat already. Okay, I'm gonna go get you some fly spray. Is that better, Molly? Alright, let's get the poo scooped out of Molly's stall. Dang, poopy pony. Miranda's just watching me struggle right now with one hand.
You never told me to do anything.
I shouldn't have to. Hey, you want to dump this poop?
Oh.
Oh, how rude. You see how she is? I'd like to remind you that this was your pony in the beginning.
Yeah? You never told me I had to scoop his poop.
Bull crap, it's on video. I will rewind the clips. Oh, hey, look, something else new. It's not put together yet, but which we probably should do that pretty soon because it's going to end up blown away. We have a second well on our property that we're trying to utilize here, so we're planning on moving this building over so that it's over that little pipe there, and then we're going to trench it around the yard and use it in different areas. We'll have to insulate this building and run some power to it so it can have some heat and a new pump and stuff. Hey boys. He's just like, would somebody pour the food, please? You're losing them. You're losing them. It's all theirs. Okay, now they're happy. Oh, we did stool samples. Didn't talk about that yet. That was fun. Collecting poop on 10 goats. That was exciting. I got to chase them around with a plastic bag. It was fun. But the conclusion is that we have a heavy parasite load, like I figured, one of which is coccidia. And that's not good. So we have to order a special feed and probably deworm, and I need to put more fences up so we can rotate better. What are you doing? Good Jojo. Beautiful girl. Hi, baby. Are you happy, Rev? All right, we're moved into place. Got it.
Look at the tractor. I have a lot of strawberries.
You do. That's gonna be it for today. Right?
Yeah, except we have to show you the proof that we went to the zoo.
The souvenir cup. Also, we're calling it quits because my eyes are exploding out of my brain. And I don't know why. Isn't it cute? I gotta go get eye drops or something. Anyways, sign out.
Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And bye.
Are you signing out?
I forgot how to sign out.